What are the chances he doesn't sign it?
Rip him out.
Oh, see, then look at the back.
Alright. You have to show me proof when I come up here. So here's what, you could take that to the court.
Why are you doing that?
Sir, sign the ticket.
Why did you give me a ticket?
We're not to have a roadside court.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In June of 2023, a viewer named NW was driving when he was pulled over by Sergeant Silva of the Wise County Sheriff's Office.
Hello. Hi, Sergeant Silva with the Wise County Sheriff's Office. You have a driver's license for insurance? Okay, you mind grabbing that for me? Any reason for the rush today? No? Why'd you pass on the shoulder? You passed on the shoulder on 114 before you took the exit. And I got like a bunch of calls with you passing, driving recklessly on 51 southbound. Okay. Well, yeah, find your insurance for me. Well, I do, but it's your responsibility to show me proof. Yeah, if you don't, it's a violation. You have to show me proof. I'll go to court all day. Sure. Okay. You can have me in a minute. Jacket. Oh, dude. I'll take it. Okay. He's a Mick.
For some reason, the benign questions about whether the deputy has insurance information available for review appears to have triggered the supervisor to the point of using derogatory terms to describe NW.
What's his deal? He's just a fucking jackass.
After Silva returns to his cruiser, NW locates his insurance and signals that he has found it, and Sergeant Silva tells one of the other deputies that he can approach NW.
You can talk to him if you want.
But the deputy that goes to retrieve the document does not activate his mic. A few moments pass as Sergeant Silva locates the traffic code for the citation, and the second deputy returns to the cruiser.
Pleasant?
He wasn't until he realized I wasn't you. And then he was like, oh, I thought you were the other guy. I was like, what other guy?
Did he have his insurance?
He has something, but it's not an insurance card, but it is expired anyways.
Is it?
Yeah, April of 23.
Go ahead.
Dispatch now confirms that NW's license, registration, and insurance is valid, and the other deputy asks NW about the document that he provided.
Return to 2015 G. And one off out of fires in December of this year, 27 for the same subject is eligible. Hunter Springtown, expires 2021. Does have some suspicions for speeding and failure to obey sign or traffic control device on his driving record.
Denver. Shows you his insurance on mine.
It's ripped, so it doesn't even technically.
It doesn't even show me anything.
It just shows you a policy number.
6226 welfare concern.
Fail to show proof of insurance.
Over the next 6 minutes, the deputy searches for codes and debates what to write on the ticket, while another approaches NW again with no microphone to ask more questions about the insurance document. NW explains that the policy number is on the front of the paper and that the identifying information for the vehicle is on the back. However, this information is never relayed to Sergeant Silva, who continues to write the citations for driving on the shoulder and failure to show proof of insurance. And now, while NW waits for the kids to finish up, they fantasize about tasing NW if he refuses to sign the ticket.
Hey, what are the chances he doesn't sign it?
All right.
I'll be waiting.
Rip him out.
Yeah, really.
Sergeant Silva now approaches to issue the citations.
Alright, well, I just roll your window quickly. Read this. This is a citation, okay? For driving on improved shoulder and operating without proof of insurance. It's not a mission that we're at. That's the one that he brought to me. It's all ripped up.
It's the one that has my policy number.
That does not show me any of your vehicle information. That doesn't show me anything.
Policy number.
Policy number doesn't mean anything to me.
Policy date.
That doesn't mean anything to me.
You gonna allow me? VIN number.
Okay. Okay, I didn't see the back.
Oh, see, then look at the back.
All right.
Done?
Aside from the sergeant's crude and racist remarks earlier in the interaction, NW's inquiry as to whether they were done pushes the supervising deputy to show exactly why he is mentally unfit to serve as a law enforcement officer. The embarrassment of his own failure to simply inspect two sides of a document pushes him to retaliate against the innocent driver.
See, then look at the back.
All right.
Done?
You have to show me proof when I come up here. So here's what, you can take that to the courts and you can get it dismissed. It's not admission of guilt, permission to contact the courts on before the it is. It is. Yeah, it's on here. You're gonna get a copy of all of it. It's 0278.
Okay.
All right, so it's on long ways across the top.
Yeah, you give it to me?
I am gonna give it to you.
Okay.
It's weird. It's not that way. It's the other way.
Let me look at it. I'm gonna look at it. Is it okay if I look
Sure,
at it?
go ahead. Go ahead.
Since you're not gonna look at my...
Yeah.
Why are you doing that?
Sir, sign the ticket.
Why are you giving me a ticket?
We're not having roadside court. You're getting a ticket.
It's not roadside court. It's not roadside court. This is me asking you why you...
Huh? I am the supervisor. You can call my lieutenant when you get done.
Okay, what's the photo?
It's on the... Ready? 940-627-5971, Lieutenant Schoenthal. Silva, S-I-L-V-A. It's on the bottom of the citation. So, 027. Don't rip it out because there's a certain way I have to rip it, but it's long ways across the top.
There's no second page to this?
I'm going to give it, but first sign it. It messes up the carbon copies if you rip it out first. I need you to sign it first.
I'm asking you, are there more pages for me to look at?
No. That's just that one page.
I understand.
Yeah. One page.
Yeah. All right, I'm going to write under duress.
You can write whatever you want.
After reviewing the citation, NW signs it and hands it back to the deputy.
You don't want your... You gonna keep the window down?
No, the window's open right now, guys.
You just rolled it up.
Yeah, but the window's open right now. You gonna give it to me? The window's open right now. I'm asking.
Do you see me Hey. Do you see me ripping it? Okay. I was literally in the middle of ripping it out. Dude, you have a nice day.
I don't understand how he turned like that.
God almighty, Mulaney.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna call Schoenthal because he's calling him right now.
You better.
NW appeared for his pretrial in early February of 2024, nearly 7 months after this incident, and upon meeting with the prosecutor, both citations were dismissed. But I'd like to know what you think. Should there be consequences for officers who retaliate and intentionally falsify charges against members of the public that question their authority? Should the deputy be held personally liable for the time and money NW spent defending the egregious citations? Let me know in the comments down below. And until next time, check out one of my other investigations linked on screen.